Yes, it's Black Friday time again. And here at Waters and Stanton, we've got some great deals right across the board. Let me tell you all about it. Hello, once again, thank you for joining me on this video channel. This is a very short video actually, just to let you know that we've got some Black Friday offers now. In fact, it's right across the board. If you go onto our website, you'll see that there's discounts right across the board. Some significant discounts, way above what you'd normally see. And there's a chance to make some savings. Now, there's also a chance to make some extra savings, particularly on Yaesu items. Some of the Yaesu items have got a cashback offer on them. And I'll put up on the screen now the list of items that you need to look at if you want to get or enjoy the Yaesu cashback deal. That means to say that, first of all, you can make your Black Friday saving. You can then, on top of that, save with the Yaesu cashback offer. And if you're interested in doing a part exchange, you can save even more. So this is particularly relevant if you're going to buy perhaps something rather pricey like the Yaesu FTDX 101 series, or even the FTDX 10, or even my favourite, the FT710, which is an amazing transceiver. This now is your chance to buy that little transceiver at a really bargain price. Yes, we are discounting it, you get the cash back. And what about thinking about part exchanging that rig that is getting a bit old now? You might save some significant money. Give us a call if you've got a part exchange offer that you want to discuss. We'll be happy to talk to you. And don't forget, this might be a good time to buy that new rig or that new aerial. Anything really, right across the board. In the meantime, you enjoy your ham radio, you take care, and look out for our upcoming videos on all sorts of interesting matters. In fact, the next one is about some mysteries on the HF bands. HF band mystery. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Subscribe and I'll be back soon.